If you're a gamer and you want to record games at 60 FPS but you're facing lag, stutter and frame drop, so in this video I will show the best Windows 10 for a low-end PC. In this video I will also show you how you can record your gameplays as smooth as possible in this Windows 10. So if you want to try this Windows 10, so watch the full video till the end. In this video, we will dual boot this version of Windows 10 with our previous version of Windows 10. So now let me show you how to download this ISO file of the Windows 10. To download it, you need to join my Discord server, which link is given in the description. After joining my Discord server, then go to ISO file inside the Windows 10 optimization. Then there you will find this link and then click on this link. This will redirect you to the media file. Then click on the download button to download the ISO file. After downloading this ISO file, you have to create a new partition for this Windows 10. To create it, just click on Windows button, then tap Disk Management. Then here click on create and format hard disk partition and this window will open up here. Now here you need to sync your volume according to your space. Now as you can see that my C drive is 72 GB free. So now I will sync the 50 GB volume. Type 50,000 here and then click on sync. Then this will create a new unallocated space for a new Windows 10. Then right click on it, select new simple volume. Then click on next. Then we will rename this Windows 10 Lite. After typing the volume label, then click on next and finish. After creating the partition according to your space, you have to create a new bootable USB pen drive for installation. Let me show you how to create it. Open up a browser, then search Rufus. Now this software will help you to create a bootable USB drive. Click on the first link and then scroll down. Then here click on Rufus 3.14. Now after running this Rufus software, open the folder where you have downloaded. Then right click on this Rufus, select run as administrator, then click on run. Then it will ask you for yes or no, select yes. Then after that you have to plug in a USB pen drive. Now after connecting the USB pen drive, it will show here. Then click on select and then locate the ISO file of the Windows 10 which you have downloaded from my Discord server. Then select it, Windows 10 Home Xbox, then click on open. And then it will ask you for the partition scheme. If you have MBR partition, select MBR. If you have GPT, select GPT. Now let me show you how to check which partition are you using. Click on Windows button, then again type disk management, then open create and format hard disk partitions. Now right click on your disk, select properties and then go to volumes. As you can see that I am using the GPT partition. So now I have to select GPT in the partition scheme. If you are using MBR, select MBR. And after selecting partition scheme, then click on start. And then this will give you a warning that all data in this drive will be destroyed. If you have important data, just backup it. Then click on OK. Then this will take a bit of time to create a bootable USB pen drive for our installation.
Several months later.
Now after completing the whole process, everything is done. What you need to do is click on close and then restart your PC and boot with your USB pen drive. And then when your PC is booting up, then press your setup. If you don't know what's your setup key, just search it on Google and then select your pen drive and hit enter. And then click on next. Then click on install. And then select the Windows 10 Home. Click on next. And then it will ask you for the activation key of Windows 10. Then here select I don't have a product key. Then select I accept the license terms. Then click on next. Then select custom install Windows only advanced. And then here you need to select your Windows 10 partition which you have created. Select your Windows partition which is Windows 10 Lite. If you want to dual boot, select your partition and then click on next. But I don't want to dual boot because I want a fresh installation of this Windows 10 Lite. So I will delete all the partition. If you also want to delete the partition, select it and click on delete. After deleting all the partition, then click on next. After selecting your Windows 10 Lite partition, it will start the installing process. It will take a bit of time to install in your PC. It depends on your system how much time will it take.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Now after installing the Windows 10, it will look like this. It will ask you for the network. If you connect to an internet network, then it will show this notification. Then what you need to do is click on yes. Now the next step is to install browser in this Windows 10. Now you have to copy the Chrome setup which you have copied in your pen drive. Copy this into your desktop and then right click on it, select open. And then it will ask you for the yes and no, select yes and then make sure your internet is connected and then it will download and install Chrome for a PC. After installing the Chrome browser, then search for Driver Booster, then click on the first link, then select free download, then select free download for Windows. Then this software will start downloading. Now after downloading this setup, run this setup and then click on learn. Then it will ask you to allow, click on yes and then click on install. Select no thanks, next. Now while this is installing, you have to disable all the animations in this Windows 10. Open the file explorer, then click on this PC, then right click on this area, select properties and this window will open up here. Select advanced system settings, click on it and then go to settings. Then here select adjust for best performance, smooth edges of screen fonts, so Windows content while dragging, show thumbnail instead of icon. After selecting these, click on apply and click on OK. After doing this, your Windows 10 performance will be increased. Then here in Driver Booster, select no thanks, uncheck learn mode online, select scan now. Now it will scan all the drivers which is needed for a PC and laptop. As you can see that I have successfully updated all the drivers for my computer. In your PC, it will ask you for update now. Click on update now, and after updating all the drivers, it will ask you for the reboot now. Close all the apps which is running in the background, then click on reboot now. Now close driver booster. Now after completing the driver booster, let's check our Xbox is working or not. Hit Windows plus G in your keyboard, and then this interface will open up here. So now we have to update Xbox to its latest version. To update, you have to open your Microsoft Store, hit Windows button, then tap Store, then open it. Then here click on 3 dot, then click on download and update. Then here we'll find all the updates which is needed by your PC. Then click on update all. Before clicking on update your, make sure your internet is connected. Then this will take a little bit of time to install in your computer. While this is installing, you have to install a memory cleaner in this Windows 10. Open up your browser and then search for MemReduct. Hit enter. Click on the first link which is henrypp.org, and then scroll down and then here select MemReduct setup.exe. After downloading this setup, open it up. Then here check run. Then it will ask you to allow. Then click on yes, next, I agree, next, and install. After installing, next, and finish. It will automatically open up here. After installing, this window will pop up here. Then what you need to do is click on yes, and then it will automatically update the MemReduct software. Then click on close, then select yes. As you can see that memory was released with 124 MB result. After cleaning up the memory, close the software. Now as you can see that there is no this PC icon on my desktop. So I will right click on the desktop, select personalize, and then click on themes. Then go to desktop icon setting and select computer and then click on apply. As you can see that my Windows 10, as you can see that this Windows 10 is not activated. You need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. So if you want to activate your Windows, video link is given in the description. Go and watch now. Now as you can see that this PC icon is here. So the next step is to right click on your task manager, uncheck this show task view button. Again right click on it, select search, then click on hidden. And then click on Windows button. Again right click on this, select unpin from start. Now your start button will look like this. Now you have to do some settings in your game bar. Click on Windows button, then tap game bar, then open game bar controller setting, and then go to captures. And then here you can change the setting according to your system. Frame rate you can set to 60, video quality you can set it to high. But on my Windows 10 all the settings are disabled because I am recording this on my virtual machine. If you're using it on an actual PC, it will work. Now open your game and then hit Windows plus G and then start the recording. Now as you can see that I have opened Minecraft game, then I will press Windows plus G, and then here you will find this button. Click on this, start recording, and your recording will be started. After recording your game, in the videos folder you will find all the gameplays which you have recorded. If you're a gamer or a video editor, anyone who wants to run Windows 10 on their PC but they are not able to run on their computer, so you can try out this Windows 10. If you like this Windows 10, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. So if you guys like this video, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any query or question, comment down below.